now inside the auto and now heading to my teacher's home, like the cooking teacher's home. So actually guys, I'm so furious right now and stressed as well, even Ate Ana, because of the guy earlier, which is the guide earlier. I'll just be sharing the story later guys when we get home because it's noisy outside. We're here na guys at the flat of the teacher. 304 Dobish. Look, guys, it's like you're in a horror film. 4. Hey, kasyokot guys, it's so scary. Where's the 302? Where's 304? Third floor daw ba siya? So, I'm here na guys at the place where will I be cooking. So yeah, this is their place guys. Can I show that this one? Yeah. Yeah, so this one will be cooking here? Okay, this is their kitchen. So yes. Oh, see? I'm preparing myself guys to be a housewife. What will we cook first?
So one side we'll cook sevai,
What's
the
that?
dessert.
Dessert. Yeah, then.
Yeah. And one side we'll cook paneer labata.
Paneer. Ah, yeah, the paneer, yeah.
Paneer.
No, the ingredients for paneer. Yeah. Okay, first step, reheat the pan.
Exactly. So first we'll marinate this paneer.
Okay.
These cottage cheese. Yeah.
With
This is capsicum.
yeah, capsicum.
And onion.
Onion.
So first we'll put some salt. This much.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
We'll put some red chili.
Red chili.
Yeah. According to you.
Their
how much
taste,
you
yeah.
want, yeah.
Okay.
We'll put some wholesome spices.
Mm-hmm.
So these are mixed spices.
That's garam masala.
Yeah,
ah,
garam
okay.
masala.
Garam masala,
Yeah,
guys.
yeah, you got it.
Yes.
So we'll put some little, not
Little,
much.
not much.
Just to marinate it.
Ah, okay.
Put some flavors. Yeah.
What's this? What
So
oil
we'll
is
put
that?
some oil so that it gets mixed properly.
What oil is that?
This is mustard oil.
Mustard oil.
Mustard oil,
yeah.
yeah.
Okay, mustard oil, guys.
Yeah,
Yeah, mustard oil, yeah,
refined oil. So
Refined,
it's
yeah.
fine.
Whichever
oil.
oil. Just to mix it.
Ah, okay, okay.
So that all these
It's not much
spices-
sticky.
So when you
Then mekos, guys. Mix.
A few minutes later.
This is for paneer labata.
Okay.
We'll preheat the oil.
Okay.
So we'll put some cumin seeds in it.
Yeah. Oh, cumin seeds.
So bay
Yeah.
leaves. We'll put some bay leaves. So we will coarse grind it.
Yeah.
Not much.
So to bring the aroma.
Yeah.
Okay.
So these are some peppercorns.
Yeah, peppercorns.
Yeah. Now, let's put it on.
Yeah. Oh.
Alright.
So garlic.
Yeah. Ginger garlic.
Ginger garlic. Then you just mix it. Onions.
So this quantity is as per 2 people.
Mm.
Then we can put some cashews
Cashew.
in it. Yeah. That is the kind of quantity.
Okay, and then
So we'll put some tomatoes.
Tomatoes. we're just waiting for this to be marinated. It's being marinated, guys.
Right now.
Yeah. Salt. Powder.
Chili powder.
Chili powder.
Yeah.
Just to give color.
No,
Give color. Exactly.
yeah.
Exactly. You got it. Tari thoda sa usme bhi dal dijiye.
Also there to give color, guys.
color,
Yeah.
yes.
so that it will look appetizing.
Yeah, I knew that.
What's that? Turmeric? What's that?
turmeric powder. Yeah.
Turmeric.
So that it gets cooked properly, we'll put little water in
Little
it.
water.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, water.
So that it gets grinded properly.
Ah,
we'll
yeah.
put,
So, we'll let it simmer.
to make a gravy, yeah.
Yeah, ring gravy. Okay, simmer muna natin guys and wait. Pins. Yes. You're the one who's really cooking? You're the one who's cooking? Who's that? Your daughter? Daughter?
Manila.
Manila, Philippines. Hello. You know Philippines? Yeah. Ayaw English. What is your name?
My name is
Arun?
Arab.
Arab.
Yes.
What's your age? How old are you?
What is it?
How old are you?
I am 12 years old.
12.
I will be 13 in November 2.
Oh, hello. Okay, nice meeting you. Okay. We will grind it now, guys. The vegetables earlier, the one with the cashew. Grind, grind, grind. There. Grind.
तो एकदम हट जाओ जाओ टीवी देखो जाओ
Cumin. And then that one again. Digest.
Taste or has it? No.
Yeah.
Digest.
Chopped garlic. Of course, onion is life.
finally covered in you just sorted out
The saute, yeah. Then it's done. It's done after sauteing.
it's done
Ah, it's
then
done.
we'll put it in the gravy
Ah, okay. Okay. Then water. Water. Some water. Another shy paneer mix. Veggies earlier that we sauteed and grind.
Homemade cream.
Homemade cream. Homemade cream, guys.
Cream.
Yeah. Wow. It's gonna be creamy.
Creamy texture.
Creamy. That what? Oh, well. And guys, looks so yummers. Grinded together. Let's taste it, guys. But my favorite paneer again. It's my favorite. Mmm. 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 Oh, good. Mm.
we'll fry
Fry. Fry the potatoes.
अब इसी में बोलिए डाल दीजिए बहुत गया ऐसा वो क्योंकि फिर बाद में भी तो ये बेगुना में निकाली
so we'll put some sugar free aside and then we'll put sugar in
Ah,
it.
okay.
Vegetables of your choice
अभी सीजन नहीं है बता
हाँ
Cottage cheese.
so that it gets sorted
Ah, okay.
Put it in this. Put some
Bay leaf.
bay leaves and spices, cumin seeds.
Cumin seeds.
Cumin seeds is basic for
Yeah, all dish, right?
vegetables,
Yeah.
As you don't use
No,
it?
we don't use it.
Okay.
That's why. It's new to
So
my...
this is for digestion purpose.
Ah.
We use it.
This one, guys, oh.
Smells, yeah. It's asafoetida.
Asafoetida.
Yeah.
I don't know that,
You can
guys.
Google it, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
We'll put some onions.
Onions so much. Because onions is good for the health.
Yeah.
Right?
Like my father-in-law, 3 brothers.
Like siblings. Of,
Yeah.
no, I mean,
So
who's...
joint
Cousin mother-in-law.
Cousin mother-in-law.
Yeah.
Okay. But your mother-in-law directly is the...
Yeah,
okay.
direct mother-in-law.
Direct
she was
mother-in-law. So she's the one who's really teaching how to cook. She's the one cooking.
Yeah, she's the
Instructor.
one.
You're the translator.
Yeah, I'm the translator.
Translator. That's why I got confused. 2 mother-in-law. But it's ano pala? Auntie mother-in-law. Auntie, yeah. Okay, guys. So we added ginger, garlic, and chili with the onions, fried onions. And we're gonna put again, for color. Chili powders are not that spicy, right? It's just like mostly for flavor, colors.
Yeah, we have put some green chilies in that.
Yeah, she
Ginger
put-
garlic
Yeah, she
paste.
told. Yeah.
Color, yeah.
Color also.
Tomatoes in it.
Yeah.
The rawness is once gone.
It means you can add the tomatoes. Yeah. Beans. Yeah. It's hard. That's why we're having a hard time here
You have
also.
Indian restaurant?
We have, but mostly also non-veg. Yeah. What is that powder?
Coriander powder.
Coriander powder.
So we'll put some curd
Curd,
in it
yeah.
so that the gravy is consistent.
The
Yeah,
consistency. Yeah. Like thick consistency.
So we put some
Kasuri.
dried fenugreek leaves in it.
Kasuri methi.
Yeah,
Kasuri methi.
it's fenugreek leaves.
A lot of spices.
Yeah, for flavors.
Yeah. That's why Indian foods are tasty because of the spices, right? Tomatoes.
Now we put some tomatoes.
Yeah. Some water. Yeah. Smells good, guys. Smells good. Taste good. I know this will taste good, guys. Oh, now put the veggies. Yums. Vegetables. That's for 4 people or more. Okay, 5 minutes. Okay, then that's all done by 5 minutes. Taste this. I want the paneer because I know paneer is my favorite. It smells good. Yeah.
Coriander.
Coriander. Okay, let's put some coriander daw, guys. Good. Yum. So good, guys. The paneer is soft. It's really good. Let's try the cauliflower. It is good with rice. Super good, guys. I love it. Nah, it's super good. I tasted.
I think you tasted also.
Mm.
So till then we'll also make some jeera rice.
Rice.
So we have preheat the water.
So with that, you need to soak the rice with water
Yeah.
as well. For how many minutes?
15-20 minutes is enough.
Just for what? What's the purpose?
So that it gets cooked fast.
Fast.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dry the water. Drain the water.
Drain water. So it's cooked na, guys. You will just drain the water. Okay, so that's how it works here pala. We'll just drain it. Then they will just dry it up a little, I think. Just remove the excess water. And it's all done.
Some put
What's that?
ghee.
Ghee.
Ghee, yeah, butter,
Butter.
no sticky. No sticky.
Ano, sticks? Ano?
And lemon.
Ha?
Lemon.
Lemon? Ah. Tama ba narinig ko? I don't know, guys. What I heard is true.
Only one. Is it everything by 18,000?
For the flavor.
Ah, okay.
And we'll put some
Salt. Salt.
salt. Little salt.
Okay. Jeera rice. Thank you.
We'll put rice in it.
Rice. The rice earlier. Ooh.
We'll crush it and put it.
Yeah. Kasuri methi. Kasuri methi.
We'll give it a mix.
Yeah. Added some butter. Lots of butter. Puri.
We'll mix it up. So we'll put some milk cream in it so that it gets soft.
Ah, yeah.
We'll get soft puris.
Yeah. It's okay because later we will eat that, right? So that we will be,
Prepared for
prepared. Rest.
A few moments later.
Ah.
Okay, so rolling first the puri.
हाँ तब से
Variety.
वैरायटी होता ना सेवई फिर मिक्स वेज पनीर लबाकर पकौड़ा अभी पूरी बन
मम्मी भी तो बहुत
Then just there, then just put it there. Then, yeah, it's hard. It's not circle.
roll it,
Yeah, just roll. Ah, roll. It's not, it's not rectangular, it's not oblong. I can do this. Even though it's not. Why is the shape like this?
no worries you can have this one
Yeah. First try. First try. It's long na pala. Ayun. Tinry na nila. It's hard It's hard, guys. Practice makes perfect, basta nandas.
oh wow
Practice makes perfect. Ayun, that one. Should be bubbly. Yeah. Is it the same bread for chole? Bature? That
No,
one is the same. Is it? Same bread?
that one is
वो मैदा को
refined flour
But
That,
it's a puri. Or it's
it's
also
a
puri.
puri it's of wheat flour that
Ah.
is of refined flour
I mean, but the bread is called what? For the chole?
bature
Yeah, what's the bread for chole?
that's also puri that's
Yeah,
also called puri
yeah,
but it's
puri.
of refined flour
It's different flour.
yeah
Okay.
refined flour
Refined flour.
Maida.
Why, what's the difference of the both?
केक बनता है ना उसमें केक से
हाँ.
केक बनता
So
है
what's the difference for both?
this is of wheat
Wheat.
yeah that is more refined
Yeah.
form of wheat yeah
So, I mean, like, why? Why? It depends on you which flour you want.
exactly
Okay.
that's not good for him
Because it's refined. Like refined sugar.
Yeah, like refined sugar,
That's
refined
why.
oil.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. This is
That
more
is why.
healthier.
This is more
It's healthy.
healthy.
Yeah, it's more healthy pala, not more healthier. Kasi more and healthier. So only more healthy. Just healthy or just healthier. Either more healthy or just healthier. Okay? Because you know guys, if I'm stressed or like I want to say something fast, nabobobo na sa English ang mga akla. Be like that oh, like popping. Yeah. Coffee. That's nice. Ayun yung dessert. Sa Pinbes, magustuhan mo yun. Gram flour guys and water.
जीरा राइस हम नहीं बनाते जीरा राइस
So to test whether it's done or not, you can just put it in the water and it just floats away.
That's why.
You can just
Like
check.
that. Let's see guys oh. That's what she's doing.
See, it floats.
So it's good already.
So it's done,
It's done. Very nice Nice technique. Okay, we're gonna put turmeric guys. At the butter mixture.
This is ginger,
Ginger.
cumin seeds. What else? Chili. Green chili. What else? And you can just coarse grind it.
Course guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we'll put it in this.
Yeah.
We'll put some salt. So we'll put some baking soda.
Baking
So
soda.
it's puffy.
Okay.
Pakoras.
Yeah. And combine, mix all together.
चटनी बता दीजिए
So we'll serve this with green chutney.
Okay, green chutney.
This is the chutney.
Yeah, chutney.
So this is coriander leaves, ginger, garlic, some cumin seeds in it,
Yeah.
and salt.
Okay.
And,
And just grind again.
Yeah, and dried mango powder
Dried mango powder.
to make it a bit spicy.
Okay. Ooh.
हाँ सब
This one, the ghee. Vermicelli. Vermicelli. Shell
So
noodles.
first we'll roast it.
You'll roast it.
Yeah.
Okay. Ghee and vermicelli.
A few moments later.
Meanwhile, we'll see our vermicelli also.
brown golden brown
Brown, yeah.
Golden brown.
Yeah. It's golden brown, guys. Milk.
देखिए बस.
हाँ दो चार बनवा
Alright.
Yeah. This is
Cardamom
the
powder
cardamom.
and saffron.
Mixed together.
Yeah, mixed together.
It smells so
Little
good.
bit, not
Yeah,
much.
little bit.
A few inches later.
No best when that's done.
Okay. Oh. Yums.
हो जाएगा ना इसका टेस्ट है
Okay guys, so these are the foods that we learned how to cook. Those are also yummers. So let's eat. Okay, let's eat. Pakora, onion, and potatoes. Pakora. With the chutney. So good. Puri. already flattened dough. Let's try the puri itself as is. And now let's dip it. Let's have the mixed veggies with rice. Jeera rice. Oh guys, I finished. Look, oh. No, nothing is left. It's so good, guys. So, we're gonna try this na. The dessert. Dessert. Mekos-mekos mga insan. Sotanghon. Vermicelli, guys. Wow. It's like faluda. Kind of similar. Yeah. Yeah, guys, it's like faluda. This is good. Yeah, it's not that sweet. That's why it's good. Yeah. Is this supposed to be cold when served or? Yeah, because it's better if cold, right? Yeah.
Yes. So sometimes we freeze it and
Yeah, it's good if it's frozen. The master chef. Ayan siya. Ayan. Thank you. Bye, guys. Ganda ko siya, Bash. Video ba yan sa camera? Video. Ay! Baka malaki mukha ko dyan, Bash. Yung maganda dapat ako, Bash. Hello guys! We are on the way home na. Actually, it took us like 30 minutes or 20 minutes to finally get a cab or an auto. Because their place is like 20 minutes away from our hotel. So that's why. Camera to capture this and show you guys. Hi, Baz. Where are we going next? Muskan, H. This is the situation right now at the boat ride. As you can see, there are tons of people who are standing up in the boat just to see the performance of the arty. But as you can see, you won't be able to see. As you can see, you won't be able to see it. But good thing